DeWalt 181 piece mechanics toolset. I purchased this to replace all the single loose pieces I have. Always tend to lose them, so hopefully with this box set I can keep them all in one place and not lose them. Now let's take a look inside. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, full lifetime warranty. Looks like you've got to call a US number. I'm not sure if they're going to replace it to the UK or is it US only. Or do I have to go to Costco since I purchased it from Costco? That's rather not very thick to stop things from falling out. So what do we have here? We've got 3 ratchets, we've got a screwdriver, we've got long sockets, stubby sockets, extension bars with 3 different sizes, and a long one for the 1/2 inch. Starts at 4mm, goes all the way up to 18mm. Starts at 532s. I'm not good with the US measurements. Goes all the way up to 13/16. I would never use these. Only the UK ones. Some it's like impact bits, sockets. We've got spark plug sockets, 2 different sizes. US size hex keys, UK size hex keys. These come out. You can just put them in your pocket, and that way you don't lose individual ones. Spanners or wrenches, US sizes, and over here you got UK sizes. Starts at 10, goes to 17. Number 16 is missing or not there. They don't include it. The US sizes is 5/16 to 5/8. You got a soft grip screwdriver, bit holder. This may be magnetic, I'm not sure. Let's find out. No, it's not magnetic. But it does have a spring inside which clamps down onto the bit itself, so it should fall out. But no, my luck, they'll fall out. We've got some more US size screwdriver bits, which usually use for fasteners, and UK size over here, starting with 5mm. So we got forward and reverse. These are supposed to be 72 tooth according to the box. Nice bright DeWalt yellow. Should be using them soon to service the vehicle, so these will come in handy.